I read this line from a book recently. There is no more significant failure than not living out your God given purpose. God made you for a purpose. Find it and put your energy towards living it out. When I read this part of the book I'm currently reading, it hit me hard. I'm 2 years away from turning 30, yet I feel like I haven't lived out my God given purpose to its fullest. The biggest enemy isn't anyone else. It's me. My what ifs, my worries. What can I offer? What do I even have to share? And now, it feels like I'm back to day one. But you know what? Starting again is better than never starting at all. I know deep down I'll never feel fulfilled if I don't try. Because part of my calling is to create. So here I am again, trying. Trusting that if I stay aligned with what God wants for me, He'll take care of the rest. Last year, I thought I had it all figured out. I was ready to create full-time as a homemaker. But life had other plans. I got pregnant. My pregnancy changed everything. It was beautiful and hard all at once. I hit pause. And that pause taught me grace. Now, everything's new. A new home, a little family of three, a season I never imagined this soon. I'm slowly learning to be a better wife, a new mom, a homemaker, and a better servant of Christ. Every day feels like a chance to start again. So if you're also in a season of starting again, or figuring out what your purpose looks like now, I hope this space encourages you. I'm Danielle, and this is my story of beginning again. Welcome or welcome back to my channel.